In this video, I'm going to go over how I did the install in my 2005 Chevy Tahoe for my CB. The particular radio that I'm using is a Cobra 18 WXST2. This radio fits this purpose really well because it fits the spot. The spot is about a single din, just a little wider than a single din. And this CB is right around a single din. It has a front speaker, and it has a front mic jack, so it makes it really easy to do instead of having to make more holes in the dash and try to figure out how to do that. So in this video, it's a review on how I like it, and a little bit later on in the video, I'm going to show you how I did it. So let's get started.
Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower.
Unfortunately, there's not much of any traffic on the radio, but that's fine. So how do I like it? It's not a bad radio. It fits this purpose really well, like I said earlier, because of the front speaker and the mic jack being in the front. And it fits that area really well. I like it there because it's not on the side of the dash, it's not in the way, and it's very easily concealed. I know I've had a relative drive this and they didn't even realize that there was a CB there. So I like it a lot because of the fact that it's out of the way. So on to how I did it. Well, I looked all over Google and things like that when I purchased this vehicle, and it just showed them already installed. It didn't show how to. So what I did was this. Me being the DIYer myself that I am, I just simply took out this black piece, which as you saw was being a little trouble, and I had to cut. There we go. I had to cut this. This is just that pocket that's normally there, and yes, it's not straight, but it gets the job done. And then I just put the thumb screws in the sides. This one here is actually holding it still on this side here, which is nice. And then I just, for power, I just simply made it real easy. I just went to the, let me turn this a little bit, just to focus. There we go. I just simply went to the orange for the positive and the black for the ground. And with these Cobra 18s, they have 3 power wires, which is kind of strange. Without this orange wire, I don't know if you can see that very well or not. Without the orange wire, the system will not turn on. This is like an accessory wire, almost like when you're wiring up a aftermarket CD player or an aftermarket radio. They have the 3 power wires. And then after that, I simply got this 90-degree angle and put on here so it's not putting too much stress on the coax. And then the coax, I got it going down under the console, along under the passenger seat, and then up that pillar. And you can kind of see the coax right there. And that's going out to a Wilson 1000 Maggie mount sitting on the roof. And that's pretty much all there is to it, except for, you know, obviously you gotta do a little crafty work to the dash here. That thing to focus. There it goes. So I had to do this for the thumb screw to fit, which is kind of unfortunate. I didn't want to do it, but if I wanted the radio in here, you kind of got to make a couple sacrifices. And don't worry, there's nothing really back there. It's just empty. And the main reason is because, like on the GMC Yukon Denali's and whatnot, why is that not focusing? Doesn't want to focus very well. Anyway, on the Yukon Denali's, they have a external CD player downstairs, down below here, and that's what this is set up for. Because this is just like a cookie cutter type of dash, and that's basically, it's all made the same, whether it has that feature or not. So that's basically a brief cover of how I did my install, and these dashes are really easy to get apart. Like I said, this just clips in. There's a clip over here, and the same on this side as well, right there, hiding. And so that just basically clips in. Now, when the first time you go to do it, you're better off taking this whole piece right here out, and you just pop you'll just pop this off over here in the corner, which is as simple as pulling it off just a little bit, just so you can get this off down here without having to have it all pop off and break in your face. Because believe me, you don't want to break your vehicle while you're trying to do this. No more than you have to. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave comments down below if you like this video, or if you want to see more videos like this.